Hello students, today we will continue the same topic, that is definite integral, and we solve some question based on this exercise. Question number, question number 5, that is question number first to 4, apply property P for question number 5 here, minus 5 to 5, that is mod of x plus 2 dx is equal to 0. You know that turning point here, x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 5 to minus 2 and minus 2 to 5. Write here the negative of this function, that is minus x plus 2 dx plus ax plus 2. Further you can solve, just simple integration, then upper limit minus lower limit. Question number 6 as it is. In question number 6, integration 2 to 8 mod of x minus 5. You know that here turning point is 5, x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5. You can write 2 to 5 and 5 to 8. 2 to 5, that is negative function dx, and here positive function. Further simple integration, then upper limit minus lower limit. Question number 7, integration 0 to 1 x 1 minus x to the power n dx. This is first equation. Now you know that which property you apply in this question. 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. It means property P4. Apply here property P4. Apply property P4. P4 you know, a minus x, but you know that a is here 1, it means 1 minus x. Replace x by 1 minus x. You can write 1 minus x here and 1 minus x. When you simplify 0 to 1, 1 minus x, 1 to 1 cancel, x to the power n. Now you can check, if you add equation number 1 and 2, that is no simplification. If you add equation number 1 and 2, then there is no simplification in the question. Now you see that you can do the integration of this function very easily. Now multiply integration 0 to 1, multiply this x to the power n minus x to the power n plus 1 dx, and the integration of this x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 and x to the power n plus 2 by n plus 2, limit 1 to 0. Write upper limit first. Put 1 here, 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2 minus 0. When you put it 0, the complete is 0. LCM n plus 1 and n plus 2. When you simplify, the answer is n plus 2 minus n to n, cancel 1 answer. This is the solution of question number 7. Very important question. 7 and 9 as it is. 7 and 9 as it is. Now question number 8. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Very important question. very important question. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Very important question. You know that in this question apply P4. Apply P4. Apply P4 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan. Here you can write pi by 4 minus x dx. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus formula, you know, tan pi by 4 minus x formula, that is 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log, take LCM, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x plus this tan to tan cancel to here. Now you can apply, log m by n property, log m by n, that is log m minus log n. Apply that property here. That is integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. This is second. Now add equation number 1 and 2. On adding equation number 1 and 2. On adding equation number 1 and 2. On adding, you know that this will cancel, plus and minus. When you add, this will cancel. I plus I 2i, that is log 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 1 dx, and integration of 1, you know, x, that it means pi by 4, therefore I is equal to pi by 4 divided by 2, pi by 8 log 2. This is the answer of this question. You can check. Correct? Next question number 11. Integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Clear? And question number 13. Integration 0 to question number 13 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin 7x dx. Correct? Now you know that in this question we apply P7. Correct? P7. P7 means firstly check it is even function or odd function. Sin square minus x. You know that sin square x, that is f of x. Therefore it is even function. When you replace x by minus x, it means f of x, even function. And the even function, we write here twice 0 to pi by 2, that is sin square x dx. Now apply P4. Apply P4. Twice 0 to pi by 2. When you write here pi by 2 minus x, it become cos square x dx. on adding first and second, sin square x plus cos square x 1. Further you can solve. Same here, apply P7. F of minus x is equal to sin of minus x. You can write minus sin x whole to the power 7. Therefore minus 7 to the sin to the power 7x. It means minus f of x you can write. Therefore you can say it is odd function. It is odd function. And you know that if it is odd function, then the answer is 0. In P7, if the function is odd, then you can say the answer is 0. Clear? Next, question number 15. You can apply P4, correct? And question number 16, apply P4, then same as example number 36. And P17, apply P4, then on adding 1 will come. And 18, already you know 0 to 4, x minus 1, it means 1 is the turning point. Clear? Now you can solve all the question. Question number 12 here, different question. Integration 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. This is a different type, removal of x. In this question, x will be present and sin function, only x. This type is called removal of x. Removal of x. In this property, always apply P4. Apply P4. Apply P4. That is 0 to pi minus x upon 1 plus sin pi minus x. You know that integration 0 to pi minus x. Now can you tell me sin pi minus x, sin 180 minus x, that is sin x. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Now on adding first and second, x plus pi minus x, on adding first and second, on adding first and second, I plus I to I, that is pi outside, 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Correct? Now you can solve further. Zero to pi 1 plus sin x, rationalize 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x dx, that is pi, integration 0 to pi 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x, that is 1 minus sin square x, and 1 minus sin square x, that is cos square x. Further you can solve 0 to pi, separate sec square x minus sec x tan x, sec x tan x dx, sec x tan x dx. Clear? And in that the integration of sec square x, you know very well. Integration of sec square x, integration of sec square x, you know very well. Integration of sec square x, that is tan x and sec x 0 to pi. Pi, put here tan pi minus sec pi, and put here tan 0 minus sec 0, pi, tan pi 0, sec pi minus 1, minus 0, minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, that is 2 pi and equal to 2i, therefore I is equal to pi. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Now we can solve. So your homework, try to solve this exercise completely. Okay, thank you.